Hello kabayan, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel para lagi kang updated sa upcoming pa nating house tour videos. This mansion in Alabang has a carport that is intended for 2 cars, with a lot area of 160 square meter and a floor area of 179 square meters. As of the moment, available po itong model unit na ito. Let's go inside here, and as you can see, naka-tiles na po yan, and the living area is air-conditioned. Kasama po ang aircon sa turnover ng unit. Now, let's go here at the powder room in the ground floor. And this powder room has a nice accent of tiles there. Now, beside it is a bedroom here in ground floor. This can serve as a maid's room or a study room or whatever purpose you can use it. And it is ensuite with toilet and bath, with the fixtures of course included upon turnover. Walking into our air-conditioned dining area and kitchen area, included pa rin po yan sa turnover ang ating aircon, and this is the kitchen area. Cupboards and cabinets are included in the kitchen area. Now going here to our sliding door access when you're going to our Lanai, and there is a utility part or the service area, a covered one. Ayan, naulan-ulan pa, kabayan. Now let's go head up to the second floor, and as you can see kabayan, the floors here are made up of solid wood, which is a tangile wood, and the floors here at the second floor is a laminated wood tiles. Up here are 3 bedrooms, and this one is the bedroom number 1. This is the bedroom number 2. Walking into the common toilet and bath for the 2 bedrooms, floor to ceiling tiles, fixtures are included. Heading now to our master's bedroom, so here it is. Now walking through our walk-in closet. From there is our master's toilet and bath. Balcony access through our master's bedroom. Here is the glimpse of the ongoing construction here in Laspiñas, Alabang, and also ready for occupancy units are available. Kabayan, PM na!
Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get more updates on our next video.